Author Swan was sitting cross-legged on the bed, holding her phone between her shoulders and ear while browsing through dress in the wardrobe. Friend Vine, I can't believe you are actually coming to the reunion. After your wedding, you are just disappeared. Vine smiling, I know, life got busy. But yes, I'll be there tomorrow. Authors, the bedroom door opened with a faint click. Young walked in, his office laptop bag over one shoulder, sleeves rolled up, a faint frown between his brows. Young, deep, calm voice. Where are you planning to go? Ryan glanced at him and quickly sat into the phone. I'll call you later. Hanging up. Vine, there's a college reunion tomorrow. Will you take me there? Taeyang setting his back down and losing his ties. What's the point? I have so much work. Just forget it. Vine turns to face him. It's been years since I seen my friends. I really want to go. Taeyang, Vine, I said no. I'm tired. I don't want to waste my time on such things. Her smile disappeared instantly. Van, it's not a waste for me, Tiang. Just because you don't care doesn't mean I shouldn't. Authors, he froze for a second, then turned to her with a sharp look. Tiang, don't twist my words. I'm saying it's not necessary. Van, stop closer. Not necessary, you have not taken me anywhere in months. Do you even realize how it feels to always be at home while you are either at work or burned in laptop? Young voice rising slightly. I work so we can have good life and now you are making me feel guilty for being responsible. Van hurt tone. A good life doesn't mean anything if you are never in it with me. The words hang in the air. Young jaw clenched, his eyes darkening. Young quiet but firm. You don't understand me at all. Van softly, but with frustration. Maybe because you never let me. For a moment, neither of them moved. Then Tiyang picked up his laptop bag again, walked out of the room, and the sound of the door shutting echoes through the silence. Authors, the next day, Vian moved around the kitchen in silence. She placed Tiyang breakfast on the table without looking at him. He glanced at her, then at the untouched coffee cup beside him. Tiyang, you are really going to ignore me now? She didn't reply, continuing to tidy up the counter. Authors, a few seconds later, he walked up behind her and wrapped his arm around her waist, resting his chin on her shoulder. His voice was low, almost reluctant. Young, fine, we will go. Van lips curved into the faintest smile, but she didn't let him see it. Authors, in the reunion party, the warm yellow lights of the banquet hall sparked against the glass wall. Laughter, chatter, and music filled the air. As Van walked in beside Young, all eyes seemed to turn toward him. Her friends froze for a second before rushing over. Friend one, Van, you are here. Oh my God, you look stunning. Friend two, and is this your husband? Authors, Van nodded with a smile. Everyone exchanged polite greetings, but the glance at Young were a mix of surprise and curiosity, as if no one could imagine the cold, compressed man beside her actually being hers. Her male friends also come forward, greeting her warmly. Male friend, wow, Ryan, it's been forever. Authors Vine chattered casually, but she could feel Young's gaze on I's single handshake, his expression gradually shifting, the polite mask replaced by something sharp, more guarded. Later, the music turned louder, the lights dimmed, and the dance floor came alive. People began pulling each other to join the fun. Although suddenly a group of her friends grabbed Vian's hand. Friend, come on, Vian, you have to dance with us. She hesitated, glancing at Tiang. He met her eyes, and for a moment his expression softened into a small smile. A subtle note told her she had his permission. Her own smile widened as she joined her friends, dancing and laughing under the colorful lights. For the first time in a long while, she felt free, just enjoying herself. Author, in the middle of the music, Taehyung's phone buzzed. Seeing the caller ID, he frowned slightly and excused himself, stepping out into the quiet corridor to answer. Inside, Van was still dancing when one of her male friends approached her. Friend, shouting over the music, Van, I need to talk to you. It's important. Authors, curious, she let him lead her to quieter corner near the back of the hall. Friend, listen, I think it's him. Van confused. Who? What are you talking about? Author, before he could answer, a shadow fell over them. Tiang stood there, his gaze dark, his jaw tight. Tiang, cold, firm voice. What exactly are you two doing here? Authors, her friend froze, glancing nervously between them. Friend, nothing, just catching up. The young presence was so intense that the friend quickly changed the topic and mumbled something about drinks before walking away. Vine stood there, cuffed between confusion at her friend's words and the unraveled storm in Taeyang's eyes. Authors, a few days had passed since the reunion. The memory of Nick's interrupted words still lingered in back of Vian's mind, but she never brought it up. One day Nick called Vian. Nick rushed voice, hello Vian, finally I've been trying your phone for days. That night at the party I wanted to tell you something important. Nick, back in the college, there was this guy. He always watched you, creepy, always staring, keeping track of where you went. I recently found his picture in our college album. He was our super senior and Ryan. I think that creepy senior is your husband, Taeyang. Please, you have to be careful. Author, suddenly a deep, slow voice cut through the line. Taeyang, oh really? Nick froze. That was not Ryan's voice, Taeyang. That senior's wife is very happy. You don't need to interfere, and it would be better for you to stay away. A heavy pause. Taeyang, dangerously calm because I know exactly how to deal with people like you. Authors click the call and from the kitchen Van walked out, wiping her hands. Van, was someone calling me? Taeyang looked up from the couch, his expression perfectly calm, as if nothing had happened. Taeyang, no one important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which type of series or one shot you want next and on which member. Bye bye.